Downey Nelson Company. Wanted to show you a little project we're working on today. Here at a cemetery doing stone restoration, you can see the top lip there. That's what this looked like before. And this is after we have soft washed it. We didn't use any pressure on this stone. It was merely just our cleaners. It broke up all the mold, mildew, algae, all years of just dirt. And you can see just the giant difference. So, most power washing companies, most people are going to hire a power washing company. They're going to be a handyman or a painter who power washes on the side. We are strictly a professional power washing business. We have all the correct soaps to properly clean this without any damage. This cemetery, this property manager trusts us at 2 locations to restore their stone. We're going to take it one step above. We're actually not satisfied with how this looked. The top lip here is just a little bit dirty. We're going to get another stone restoration product to spray on. That should brighten it up a little bit and remove some of the discoloration. But that's what you're going to get from us. You're going to get full service. We're not going to be satisfied just with a little bit of cleaning. We want it to look perfect. And I think we're almost about 90% there. A little bit more attention to this wall and it's going to look great. Just once again show you the difference. That's what it looked like there. It was that black all around. So when people come into the cemetery, this is what the first thing they're going to see. It's going to look nice and clean and bright. So any commercial power washing needs that you have, give us a call. We'd really appreciate the opportunity to bid on them. All right, thanks so much. Have a great day.